say I'm late. Well, I woke up late. I don't even have my microphone on. I'm too tired. But should we get through? I was gonna do my makeup today, but I'm probably gonna have to do it on the coach. I got my sunglasses on my head. I don't even think they're straight. But I don't know. We'll figure everything out when we get there. So we had just got past the border and everybody wanted to get something to eat, so we stopped for a while. I had a look at one of the cafes and basically all the scenery from the cafe that you can see. And then we got back on the coach and started heading with Mostar.
Franz Ferdinand was killed by Gavrilo Princip and World War I started. Left side, how about the air condition? But don't worry, I will also show you later some big bullet holes and some ruins in the old town. But all finally finished in 1996 and Bosnia and Herzegovina finally got their independence. And today in Bosnia and Herzegovina we have three main nations.
So what the guide was just talking about was the war in Bosnia between 1992 and 1995. Now, after getting their independence in the 1990s and having their whole city destroyed, they managed to rebuild the city in 2004. So as you're walking through the city, there are quite a lot of buildings with bullet holes still in them. I didn't put much of the footage in the video because I did think it was a bit inappropriate, but you can go there and see them. This is the old bridge of Mostar. There are quite a lot of traditional diving competitions that happen here. Now, there are also a lot of unprofessional people that dive here. The dive is 24 meters high, about 78 feet, and a lot of people that do it do end up paralyzed or badly injured. So it is strongly discouraged. Those that do it properly with the adequate training get respected by the whole city, so that's why a lot of people do it. So we have just been let go from the tour. Apparently there's a lot of pickpocketers around here, most of them little girls, and you're not going to think that you're going to end up getting robbed by a little girl, so I just left all my belongings on the coach. But we have until 12:35, it is currently 10:51, and I'm currently just trying to find an ATM so I can take some more euros out. But yeah, I have no idea where I'm going. According to the people here, it is cold compared to what they get usually. Yes, it's 30 today, and it is hot. These rocks are slippy. I'm literally sliding down everywhere. I spotted this dog from about 2 streets away, and he came straight over to me and wouldn't leave me alone. He was following me all the way around town, but I decided to sit down, and he sat down next to me. Luckily, one of the locals got him some water, so he wasn't dehydrated. I sat down with him for a while. I think it was about half an hour while I waited for my coach, and I just sat and stroked him for a while. Very friendly. It was very funny though, because everyone was asking if he was mine. Just wait for my coach. And now it has become the end of the video, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and there will be a part 2, so watch the next video.